Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, Vinny's Artisan Journey. As we all know, during this period, coronavirus continues to spread worldwide. It has reached a dangerous level where everyone is so panicked. We are all taking preventive measures such as constantly sanitizing our hands as well as wearing face masks. In my previous video, I'm sharing to all how to make natural hand sanitizer. And in this episode, I'm sharing to all how to make non-surgical face masks. This is definitely nothing compared to the commercialized surgical face mask. But when in case of emergency SOS and you can't find any surgical face mask at your nearby store, do consider this is better than nothing and it's better than expose your nose and mouth completely. So there you are, my SOS face mask. Let us look at the material needed here. We need 3 mm white nylon elastic band for sewing. The following material needed is white thread as well as needle, 5 ply of Purine baby wet wipes, which we need to air dry or fan dry completely. This is how the wet wipes look like. It is made of soft and thick cottony material. It is enriched with soothing aloe vera and moisturizing vitamin E. It's also alcohol-free and paraben-free. Since it's meant for baby use, it is suitable for even the most sensitive skin. To make this is super simple, since we take in the original size and no cutting involved on the soft, thick cottony material. I have experimented to cover my nose and mouth with this material and I find that it's quite breathable. Make 2 folds before we sew it to secure the folds. I'm going to show you how to tie the knot without hassle before sewing it. Voila, we have created the knot successfully. Now we can start to sew at the edge of the folds. Well, if you ask me what is other better way than sewing, I would say you can just staple it. Because I do believe that not everyone knows how to sew, am I right? So if you think that it's too hassle for you to sew it like that, well, just staple it. Staple on the folds as well as staple on the elastic band. Now, after securing the folds, now is the time to sew the elastic band on our face mask. If you have any existing surgical face mask left in your hands, you can use it to measure the length of the elastic band. If it's not available, just take it as a guidance to measure the gap in between your ears and the face mask. Just attach the elastic band by sewing it at the edge of the face mask. Repeat the same procedure for the other end. Same thing for the other side, and we have successfully created our own face mask. You can even double secure the upper and lower portion of your face mask with an elastic band if you think it's a bit too loose. Thanks for watching Vinnie's Artisan Journey. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Till then, bye!